Let's see how to center text vertically in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see, we have our text right here. So to center text horizontally, simply highlight the text and click on this icon right here. However, if we want to center our text vertically, we want to go over to the Layout tab, click on this icon right here on the corner, which will open up the entire page setup settings. And here we can click Page Vertical Alignment, click on Center, and then press OK. And as you can see, it is now in the center of the page. Now, what happens if we go on to the next page and see that it is still at the center? But now we want to make it start back to its original position, which is at the top. So simply click on Page Setup right here, and then set your vertical alignment to top and click from this point forward. And that will make it return back to the top of the page, which is the original position. And as you can see, it is different from our first page, which we set at the center. And that is how you set your text at the center of the page vertically in Microsoft Word. See you soon!